Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this puzzle page of the Saturday edition, Saturday, November the 9th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, 4-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, and binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. This one will be number 9565. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits should be an easy one, because the hard one says always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. So I think this Jigsaw Sudoku could be a 0 stars or 1-star puzzle. 0 stars puzzle, I need to be faster than 14-13 minutes. For 1-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 1-star or 0 stars puzzle? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here, here, and there we have a single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see only one dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Well, let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple box? I see only one triple box, contains the 1, the 2, 3, and 4. No, again, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? See only one quadra box. Well, the numbers could be everywhere. More quadra boxes? No. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah, here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? Nope. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize and those are the shapes that you need to recognize here in this puzzle. We have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 of them that you need to recognize. The question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Then let me see these 2 boxes. Oh, I overlooked this quadra box. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now for the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4, because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 1, because give me 2, give me 3, give me 4, give me 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Then these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be there. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area. Alright. These 3 boxes surround a 4, can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. Then let me see. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. And this box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be here. Then 1, okay. One of the missing number in this area is number 1. Here can be 1, we have a 1 in this box, so no 1 there. Here can be 1, we have a 1 over there, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 in this area is supposed to be there. Okay. 2 and 3. Well. Let me think. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area. It's supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. Then let me see. Okay. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be there. Well. Okay. Well, 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and 3. Is connected with that box should be so 2 and 3 is also connected with that box should be so 2 and 3, but it can be 2 anymore because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So it should be a 3 is connected with that box should be so 3 is also connected with this box should be so 3. 1 box left now in this area for number 2. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. 1 and a 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this quadra box. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. 3 and 4, we have 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Then this box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. So 1 number left in this triple box for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. That box can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area is supposed to be there. 2 numbers left now in this area. For numbers 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. This box can be 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area is supposed to be there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 10 minutes. Well, told you. Should be a 0 stars. Yeah. I'm faster than 13 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you tomorrow. So, have a great and fantastic Saturday. Until then, bye-bye for now.